Welcome back.
It's so cool. Oh my God.
Warning lights are on, but did anyone look down at the gas lines on the ground?
Olá!
I'm sure the worker got totally stiffed on their pay.
No doubt, this is a really tricky situation to fix. This happens when the rolling mill fails and red-hot metal comes alive. The only thing is, they forgot to use a sturdier rope.
A dumb mistake that costs big bucks.
It was a lousy job, but it could have been worse. Without a doubt, this is the absolute worst tow truck company I've ever seen. A tougher hose would have prevented this entire problem. Remembering to shut the door before driving away is such a basic thing. Yeah, it was unlucky. But a pro is supposed to survey the entire area before starting to excavate. This could have gone horribly wrong. Glad everything ended up okay. They tried to fix it, but they only ended up making it worse. Knowing how much load the machine can take is absolutely crucial. Hammering glass usually goes wrong. Mistakes like this usually cost millions of dollars. As unlucky as he was also crazy lucky, right?
Watch your head, Nick.
That's a pretty strange way to prune a tree. They managed to fix the problem, but they ended up causing a way bigger one. A miscalculation that cost a whole semi-truck. Without the sledgehammer, it became impossible. All they had to do was move the car first. Were they hired to fix the car or trash it?
Este pendejo nomás está grabando la verga.
When you ignore every nautical safety rule at the same time.
That's exactly why something called a handbrake was invented. They're total professionals, trust me. Why did the car have to be parked right there? Now, the motorcyclist is going to have to help the crew redo the concrete. I don't think that was their plan at all. Pretty sure that smoke is telling us to back off. I think he forgot he's not the only one living in Canada.
Marek schummelt. Der kippt gleich um. Guck dir das mal an. Guck mal, der kippt. Guck mal. Ja, hab ich doch gemacht.
It's hard to believe he didn't even tie down the load.
Ja, lass sie, pass auf, pass auf, pass auf.
He really said, a missing wheel isn't stopping me from working. I wouldn't want to be the owner of this boat. If he wasn't a firefighter, he'd be an acrobat for sure. Three heads are better than... well, scratch that. It's almost a piece of art at this point. Glad to hear the worker and everyone are safe, but somebody's definitely taking the hit for this loss. Good thing the boat fell exactly where it was supposed to.
Oh no, a costly calculation error.
Wow. I don't know if he knows how to work with tires, but that was quite a show. Whew, that was way too close. I think he used a bit too much force. He's got a bit of work ahead of him to clean all this up. This one wasn't on the worker, it was on the driver, but it's still worth a look. Hopefully they get it right this time when they right the truck. The important thing is that in the end, he made it. He's going to have a hard time getting that liquid off his body. Everything about this was bound to go wrong. There was more sand than the rig could handle. Probably not on the worker this time, but somebody's still gonna take the financial hit. The driver of the truck behind realized it wasn't a good idea to go through there. Sometimes they forget that when you cut down a tree, it falls. A few dollars went down the drain with those bottles. Did he really think he could get down from the truck bed like that?
A little bit more. Ho, ho. Ho. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God, hey. God.
They were supposed to dig the ground, not the house.